Hey friends, welcome back to the Life of Amy June. If you're new here, hi, I'm Amy. Today I'm walking you through my complete daily planning routine, the exact system I use to stay grounded and productive while running multiple businesses, showing up as a mom and wife, managing clients, and still protecting my peace. And I want to be really clear about something before we dive in. This is not about cramming more into your day. It's not about hustle for hustle's sake. It's about building a simple structure that actually supports your real life, one that helps you move forward without feeling scattered, rushed, or like you're constantly starting from behind. Because here's what I've learned after years of running multiple businesses. You don't need a complicated system. You need the right system. So let's slow down and walk through this together. Step 1, weekly prep. The first step actually happens during my weekly planning session, and it sets the tone for every single day. When I map out my week, I spend just a few minutes prepping each daily page, and I keep this incredibly minimal. All I write down ahead of time is the date and any non-negotiable, time-sensitive commitments. School drop-off and pickup, client meetings, appointments, things that are locked in and cannot shift. That's it. No to-do lists, no expectations, no pressure. This gives me a clean, flexible foundation for each day without boxing myself in. And there's actually a really important reason not to overplan too far ahead. Research on time management consistently shows that overplanning creates more stress, not less, because life changes. And when your plan doesn't match your reality, you feel like you're failing. When the truth is, your plan just wasn't built for flexibility. Between my marketing agency, Amy June Lashes, Productivity Prism, YouTube, and everyday life, things shift constantly. This step is about structure without overwhelm. Step 2, evening task organization. In the evening, usually after dinner, after showers, when the house finally quiets down, I sit down and write my to-do list for the next day. But here's where most people go wrong. They dump everything into one long, overwhelming list with no structure. And then they wake up in the morning feeling paralyzed before the day even starts. Instead, I organize my tasks into 3 simple categories inside my Productivity Prism Planner. Quick tasks, anything under 15 minutes, tasks, anything under 1 hour, projects, anything that takes more than an hour. This one shift completely changed how I plan. It helps me catch when I'm overloading myself, identify quick wins that I can knock out fast, and be honest about what's actually realistic. And here's the science behind it. A study published in the Journal of Experimental Psychology found that people who wrote down their upcoming tasks before bed fell asleep significantly faster than those who did not. Research at Baylor University found that participants who spent just 5 minutes writing a to-do list at bedtime fell asleep faster than those who journaled about tasks they already completed. And the more detailed the to-do list was, the faster they fell asleep. So this evening habit isn't just helping your productivity, it's helping your rest too. When everything is out of your head and onto the page, your brain can finally let go. Step 3, morning priorities. In the morning, I choose my top 3 priorities and my main goal for the day. And this part is important. I do not choose them the night before. Here's why. Emails come in overnight, clients need changes, schedules shift, kids get sick, life happens. Choosing my top 3 in the morning gives me the most accurate picture of what actually matters right now. Here's the formula I use. 1 quick task, 1 project, plus 1 overarching main priority or goal. The single thing that, if I do nothing else, still makes today a win. I don't let myself choose only quick tasks, even though that would feel really amazing. Quick wins are great, but projects are what really move the needle. They are what actually build your business and your life. Research confirms that forming specific, concrete plans increases follow-through. People are significantly more likely to act on their intentions when they have written down exactly what they are doing and when they are doing it. That is the power of writing down your priorities with intention every single morning. If I complete only my top 3 and my main goal for the day, that is genuinely a successful day. That mindset shift alone changes everything. Step 4, time blocking your day. Once my top 3 are set, I time block my day, but in a very realistic way. I block time in chunks, usually 1 to 3 hours, and I focus each block on a specific area of my life or my business. Client work for Lux Marketing, YouTube filming, scripting or editing, Productivity Prism projects, admin and planning, household tasks like cleaning, school drop-off, pickup, sports events. Within each block, I pull tasks from my categorized list that actually fit the time I have. I'm not bouncing between brands or task types all day long. And there is real science behind why this works so well. A study from the University of California, Irvine, found that it takes an average of 23 minutes and 15 seconds to fully refocus after being interrupted. So every time you bounce between tasks, you are losing almost a half an hour of momentum. Time blocking protects your focus and your energy. A University of California study also found that people who use time blocking experience significantly reduced stress and increased focus levels. Less stress, more done. That is the whole goal. You will be genuinely shocked at how much more you can accomplish when you stop bouncing all over the place. Step 5, end of day reset. At the end of the day, I always do a quick reset. I check off what's done, I move what truly needs to move, and I cross off a lot of things that honestly just don't matter anymore. You will be surprised how often that happens. Then I give myself a clean slate for tomorrow. Anything that needs to carry over gets intentionally moved. Nothing stays floating in my head. No guilt, no mental clutter, just clarity. Sometimes I'll move things straight into my brain dump instead of the next day's list. Then I can sort and prioritize them later in the week when the timing is actually right. This end of day reset is one of the most underrated habits that I have because the goal isn't a perfect day. The goal is a clear mind going into tomorrow. This is the daily planning routine that keeps me feeling focused, productive, and grounded. Even while running multiple businesses, creating content, and managing family life, your system does not need to be complicated. It just needs to support you. If this video helped you, I would love for you to like it and subscribe so you don't miss future planning and productivity content. And tell me in the comments, do you plan the night before or the morning of? I really would love to know. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one real soon. Bye!